In this video, we're going to explore how to change the download location in Google Chrome, and trust me, it's super simple. Let's dive in and take control of your downloads. Look for the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar and give it a click. Once it's open, find the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner. These dots are also known as the More button. Go ahead and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. On the left sidebar, you'll see a few options. Click on Download. You'll see a button that says Change next to the current download location. Click on that button. This will open a File Explorer window. Now, you can navigate to whatever folder you want. In this tutorial, I want to create a new folder named Chrome Downloads on your desktop. Just go to your desktop, right-click, select New, then Folder. Label it Chrome Downloads. Select Folder. After that, open a new browser. Search for Wallpaper for PC. Click on the first link and download the image. Finally, check the folder to ensure the image has been downloaded. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with friends. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.